Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and right here I have Soccer Ken, believe it or not. This is pretty cool. So he has all the accessories as a soccer player. He's got his cleats, his socks, his cool uniform. I like the fact that he has really stylish hair, looks pretty cool, and he has an actual soccer ball. It's cool because it kind of has a little weight inside of it, so you can kick it around and make it fun. I like the different options that you can have for Ken. I like the fact that this one here has sports, and it goes well with, because I do have the Barbie version as well for the soccer, so I really liked to get the Ken one as well. If you see close, his hairstyle is pretty cool. I like that it has Velcro, very easy if you do want to change them in different outfits, and it's kind of cool that the cleats have the cleats on it. I like the way that the shoes open up at the backs now, so it doesn't really make it hard to put them on the dolls, so that's a pretty cool feature as well. I absolutely love that my daughter has fun with these different dolls that she has, and that she can have one towards sports, so it makes her want to play soccer as well, and she finds it fun. But that's just my point of view.